Hey, what's up out there, YouTube? Double D here with Tournage du Bois. Welcome back. Today, we are going to finish turn this piece of Sweetgum. So a little while back, I rough turned this bowl out of Sweetgum, and my buddy Hodge said, hey, it's going to warp, so take your time with it. It has warped pretty good. Got good wall thickness, so I made sure those were nice and thick. And we are going to finish turn this today. So we're going to get that going. First thing we'll do is we'll get it up on the lathe. We'll use a jam chuck. We're going to get the tenon nice and round and the base established. Then we're going to shape the outside edge. Then we will flip it around and get the inside done. So that's our project for today. Real quick, I do want to give a shout out to Radar, the wood turner. Anthony, thanks for the sticker. Check out his channel. I'll put a link to that down below. And then later at the end of the video, I'll put a card up in the upper right-hand corner at the end. So definitely go check Radar out with his stuff that he's doing. But he's got this cool video that he just put out regarding a steady rest that he was given for his anniversary. So happy anniversary, belated, a week late. But I hope you enjoy this, everybody, and we'll get going. Hey everybody, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed that project with the piece of sweet gum that we roughed in a couple of weeks ago. So we used Brad's abrasive paste on this. We used our Star Bond CA glue. And if you need some Star Bond or some CA glue, there is a link down below in the description. If you use that link and you use the coupon code DD15, you do get 15% off of your Star Bond order, which is always a good thing. We also used our Mahoney's walnut oil to finish this, so it turned out really nicely. It's got good graining in the pith area where the pith would have been, which is typical with sweet gum. And then I'm calling this the Champion Bowl because that right there looks like the logo for the Champion gear equipment. Hope you enjoyed it, like I said before. Also, make sure you go over and check out Radar, the Woodturners channel. I'll put a link to that right up here. If this is your first time here, please do consider subscribing. If you liked the video, mash that thumbs up. If you didn't like it, mash the thumbs down button. Either way, leave a comment, feedback down below. I appreciate it. We will have the piece on the turntable for the closing so you can see some good pictures of it. And with that being said, we'll catch you next time.